we got? Who's that? Oh, I can't even see.
There's no hope of me seeing it if you can't see it.
Who we got? Kaylin. Ooh, he touched me. It is a golden oldie from all the kuia up home, know that one? Ooh. No, we're not starting yet. We're doing these. Okay. Kia ora everybody, welcome to Waiata Maori in lockdown, or level 2 lockdown. If you're just joining us here, we've been doing this since the beginning of lockdown, once a week, twice a week, getting together, learning Maori Waiata on Kia ora Connie on Facebook. You can jump on the Manawa Ora Mirimiri and Workshops page and the kupu to the Waiata on there. This is our week, what week? Round about 11 or something?
No.
Double digits, what?
No.
It is.
No.
It is.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nah.
Oh, our 11th, not week 11, but
Oh.
like week session 11, I should say. Over how many weeks? 6, 7 weeks. So, hi Tam. Kia ora Connie. So yeah, if you're just joining us, the kupu on the Facebook page, you can go on there, print them off as we go along. We learn 1 or 2 new ones a week and go over some of the ones we've learned to this point. So hopefully you guys are all doing well out there. Back to work this week. Most of us will be back at work. I've started seeing people back at my clinic again. Not going crazy, and people aren't necessarily in a rush stampeding back to get bodywork done. So everyone's being super cautious, even though we're all trying to maintain social social distancing, doing that social distancing thing. And I have my, I let people know when they come through the door, okay, we're not gonna hongi, we're not gonna kihi, and not even shaking hands. And of course, people have pounced on me twice already this week, and without realizing it, grabbed me, give me a big hug and a big kiss, and game over. So, I mean, we have to think about what we're doing, and it's tricky because we haven't seen each other for a few weeks, and that's your natural instinct is, oh God, how are you, ma, and then game over. So yeah, we'll just keep that in mind. We want to keep everybody safe, keep ourselves safe during this time, and just be sensible, and then hopefully things can get back to normal sooner rather than later. Hey.
Mm-hmm.
Hey Rob.
Yep.
Rob's like,
yep.
Nodding. Yeah, but it does mean that there's these changes that we need to make, albeit temporarily. Mm. So yeah, lots of changes going on out there. National Party is getting a big rev up. Lots of things are getting a big rev up. Hey Rob.
Yeah.
Yes.
But they're still not going to win.
And meanwhile, me and him are just plodding along. Kia ora, Dawn. So tonight we are learning Te Atua, brackets Majesty. And what's the other one we're doing? Tahine, Taru Kino, it's kind of been left out. Okay, we're learning it another week, and then it kind of got left behind or forgotten. So we'll go back and we'll do those 2. And then the last 4 Waiata over the last couple of weeks. Yep. Te Atua. Te Atua. Hi Mel. Kia ora Mel. Hi Julian. Oh, bit dry, whānau, bit dry. How are you, Mel? How are you, sister? I saw your nice walk. Hiko you went on today. Look like you were here. You're still in Oz, eh? Could have sworn you were here in New Zealand. Tahine, takido. Tori, tahine, takido. Mahi vai po ke te wehena. Aroha wana ai mai ra. Ia hareira te aroha tikoni ai mai. Puhi, kia ora Anina. Is it too late for you?
Why will you change?
No.
Hey.
Huh?
No.
I could try sing it higher. Let's go, Rob, let's go.
No.
Do we sing it again? Tahine. I told him to do his exercises before that. Mama, mama, me, 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 me.
Right.
La, 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 la. Go higher. Ready? Tahine, tahine, mahi paia ipo, e te wena, aroha karata, ai maira, ia hurira, te aroha Do you like that song?
No.
Why not? Don't be racist.
You asked. You know.
Racist again. Kia ora, Tina. Hello. God, who's planning to have a humongous party after lockdown? I know he is. Yes, he is. Oh, yes, he is.
Oh, no.
Are you sure?
Yep.
It's boring. Okay. Let us go back. Kapiti te marama. We're going backwards now. We always start at the beginning and then go forwards, but we're going backwards. Just to, you know, be difficult. They will. Kapiti te marama. idea, Nina. Did you read your comment?
See how big those words are? Why would you think I could see something so far away?
Oh, because you're wearing glasses?
Yeah.
I can't tell you because then you won't have a stampede. Okay. Kia pai Maori e. Kia kia. Give it a song. Kia pai Maori e. Yay! Who's his avatar? Can't guess, sorry. Everyone's avatar's going around it. Are you ready?
You alright? You got,
okay?
You got 3/4
I'm
of the
falling
seat.
off! The seat's too small.
Same size as last week.
Smart ass. You know, some of us aren't so lucky that we lose weight during lockdown. Did I see you get... I can see you. I can see you. I can see you. Some people lose weight during lockdown and the rest of us have trouble fitting on the end of a couch. Need a bigger couch. Okay. What's this one? Oh. Are you gonna sing? Whakarongo mai ki I said solo.
I know. So why? Why should you get a solo?
No, you can do the solo if you want. Oh, you do the solo. Okay.
No.
What?
No.
It's a solo.
It doesn't have
solo
to be.
means one.
It doesn't have to be.
Come on,
It's only
paper,
a
scissors, rock.
solo.
Go. Paper, scissors, rock.
No, I know what you want to do. No.
Go, paper, scissors, rock.
No.
Go, and then you sing the solo. You get it. I get it. I sing the solo. You get it. You sing the solo. Right, go. Come on, just one. Paper, scissors, rock. Yeah. He's a cheat. Whānau, what is this? What is this?
The claw.
Did you see what he did?
The claw always wins.
He's a cheat. Right. You're singing it. You're singing it.
Let's go.
I'm singing it or
You're
just...
singing.
Okay, I'm singing it.
Where are we? Where are we?
Heke ana. Heke ana. I'm gonna sing it flat now. Lawa moke, toni moke, moke. Then you carry on. Then you come in.
Oh.
Then you come in.
All I heard was solo. So just solo. Both do a solo. Ah, look, there's Tux. Hello, Tux. Yeah, brother.
He's still playing up.
Who?
You. Yes.
Who said? What did you say? Both do a solo.
Things never change. Yeah, she said both do a solo. We could have done a solo each.
That would make it.
No.
That would make it.
I have to. Done a solo. They would make it a duet. You just want to steal my thunder, eh, Rob?
I made, just while we
Constantly
I made
trying to
the
steal
best-
my thunder.
the best deep dish apple pie.
Yes, you did.
And Jolie's on diet, so I
I'm not
ate
on
it
diet.
all. It was beautiful.
He made a pie that could have fed 20 people. I had one piece, and he tells everyone I'm on a diet. I'm not. I just can't eat apple pie every night for 7 days in a row like you did.
4 days it was gone. 4 days.
Ah, she's in the size of that pie, man. 20 people. He ate the whole thing.
And I made
had
my
a
pastry.
little
Made my
slice.
pastry from scratch.
Yes, you did.
The meanest pastry. Okay.
Bloody good baker you are, Rob. That's why I'm in the shape I'm in now. It's all his faults. Okay. Dema noodle. Oh, well, you pick one then.
No. Okay.
You pick one.
No, okay.
No, what do you want to sing? I'll sing your song.
No, hurry up.
No, you can roll your eyes. You pick the next song. Dema noodle.
Yes, it is. Ka hore kairaro. Ka pakarere tonu atu ai te kangaroe. Kangaroe. Me whai mai rā I te manu o I tōna kutu. Te manu o e re re rā. Ki hea ki te manga tapu. Te wahi tapu o te koro ia. Te manu He honore. Taxi, stop fighting, like a song ago. We're not even fighting, that's just normal, bro. That's normal bickering. Bicka, bicka, bicka. Alright, he honore. He honore, he kororia, makaro moki te whenua. Akaro, aie, ki ngā tangata katoa. Aki just add living. To our first Waiatas. Majesty in Maori is te atua. That's a good night for you. Yes, no.
Carry on.
Te atua. Tapu o ngā tapu. Ki ai te koroia te honore. Te atua. Te atua.
Yeah.
I tell everyone, this is the song that Rob used to sing to me all the time. Hey, Rob.
Of course it was.
Because it's like, oh, what kind of song is it? What song is this? Beginning with L. O. V. Love song.
Oh.
Yeah, that's why I used to sing it to me all the time. Tahine tahino, ahi whaia ipo ke te wenga, aroha kauana, ai e maira. Ia hoi nei rā, te aroha tino nui, ai e mai titiro, titiro atu au. Tahuri ke koe, ke roto i a koe, I rangi mai ana, ai e mai rā. Ia hoi nei rā, te aroha tino nui, ai e mai rā. Tahine tahino, ahi whaia ipo ke te wenga, aroha kauana, ai e mai rā. Ia hui nei rā, te aroha tino nui, ai e mai. Titiro, titiro atu au. Toho I ke koe, ke roto I a koe, I rangi mai ana, ai e mai rā. Ia hoi nei rā, te aroha tino nui, ai e mai. Te aroha tino nui, ai e mai. Hey, that's a bit of note, isn't it? A bit of note? Well, when I ask you, do you want another note? And you go, no, it's okay. And then I take it up and you go, oh, that's a bit of note. No, not bit of note. No. Hey, Will. Air Kiwi Air. This was like week 7. Toku. Oh, Waiata. These are all ones you know, me. Hey, what? Waiata. Any requests out there?
No, they said no.
Me mihi. Oh, I always sing those two, eh? Me mihi and Tia, we all over the places. Whatever, fling the page, sing it. Me mihi ki te rangi e tui o ne te whaia papatua nuku e tapatone ora hia te marino ki te mahi te mona oe ama te waka te ama tax ki te tapotoranga i tapotoa te waka ki te tapotoranga i tapotoa te waka e mihi ki te rangi e tui o ne te whaia papatua nuku e tapotone ora hia te marino ki te mahi te mona noe ama te waka me ama i te tapotoranga i tapotoa te waka ki te tapotoranga i tapotoa te waka. One more time. Me mihi ki te e tui o ne te whaia papatua nuku e tapotone ora hia te marino ki ngā i te mona noe ama te waka pune ama ki te tapotoranga i tapotoa Waiata Maori, but just for you, I'll sing the song you want us to sing. Okay? Ready? And you know what, Tux is just, he's just out of the box, isn't he? This is for you, Tux. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. What? You make me happy when skies are gray. You notice how Rob slides off? You never know, dear, how much I love you. Hurry up, honestly. Don't take my sunshine away. From the top. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. The other night, as I lay sleeping, I dreamt I had you in my arms. But when I woke, dear, I was mistaken. So I hung my head and I cried. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away. I know. Please don't take my sunshine away. You are gold fox, you're red. Kani. Oh, now you want you to dance. Get up and dance. Oh, this is like
Right.
pay per minute, pay view, or whatever you call it.
No one should
Put
ever
the,
have to
put
see
the
us
50 cents
dance.
in the slot, bro. 50 cents in the slot. And do not ask for 10 guitars next. That's not going to happen. At least we were harmonizing. Oh, look. Tia ho mai te petu o te ata o ki e a pare ai te mo ka tu te amarama he a hana Hurry up, Rob. Hey, you forgot this one. Because you turn the page too quick and then you missed. Oh, no. Utia.
Oh.
Utia. Utia tirito. Because we haven't got our Grecian timekeeping contraption from last week, whānau.
It's a 2-hour time and not
It's
1
not
hour.
even a 1 hour, it's a 2 hour. So we had that thing going and we would have kept going for 2 hours. But one of us realised
That's right.
it was over an hour, right?
That's right.
Never trust the glass sand thing. Huh? Whakataka te hau. Whakataka te hau. Toru. Wha. Whakataka te hau.
I was trying to talk.
Toru. Wha. Whakataka te hau. Come watch. Oh well, we'll just keep singing till midnight then. Right, back to Te Atua, because that's the song we need to be learning. Easy peasy, eh? Easy-ish. Yeah. really fast, eh? Kia ora whānau, well, that was our little session tonight. 2 more songs added to our kete. So glad you could join us tonight for a bit of hoha fellas on the guitar and a hoha fella sitting next to the other hoha fella singing hoha songs. But at least we're learning something while we're hoha, so that's the whole point. You want to add anything? Any news, weather, sports updates for the week?
Oh, Nationals got a new leader. No, look, I mean, just for there's a lot of workers. You'll hear a lot of workers losing their jobs and all that. But look, on the other side of it, there's a lot of new jobs getting created, especially in the construction side of it. We've and I tell you, there's some big money. We're in the wrong job. We've just negotiated a deal where some of our tunnelers, we're having to get some of the Kiwis coming back from Australia. So when you think of construction, people are thinking, you know, who wants to do that sort of job? Some of these tunnelers that'll be doing under the doing the tunnels under Auckland City, they'll be on 200k plus. I don't know why we're negotiating wages at 200k plus.
Give me a job, Rob.
on our wages, but
Mel wants to come home.
They want people like you, Mel.
Mel wants to come home. Now's your chance, buddy.
Yeah. Downers and Fulton Hogan all go over here, and they're certainly lifting up the construction. The government's got to get all this work going for people to get into it. The good news is, hopefully, we'll all be able to afford. I see all the tourist spots in Queenstown and Rotorua, all their stuff is starting to drop. You know, a bungee jump used to be $250. All of a sudden, it's $80. So hopefully they can, you know, New Zealanders will get the benefit of going around and seeing their own country. So let's look. National's got a new leader. He will say he's learned from Simon. It's no use attacking Jacinda because Joe Public doesn't like that. So watch this guy. He's no different than John Key. He'll come out and he'll talk about inclusiveness and all the rest of it. He's a Donald Trump supporter, so that should tell you enough about him. But you know, we're under 12 weeks away from our elections over in New Zealand. If you fellas in Australia, it's up to you to vote as well. You know, just because you're over there doesn't mean you shouldn't be part of doing your votes back in New Zealand. It's important that when Labour score at 59% or 55%, there's only one way for those polls to go down. Look, we expect by about election times there'll be around the 40%. So there'll be a lot of Nationals saying, look, they're dropping. You need us to run the country. You know, you can't have Jacinda running the country. We're all businessmen. Well, don't forget, it was the businessmen who put us in all this bloody trouble we're in now. So we've got a good government. We've got good people in there. Just make sure that we're continually getting ready for elections. Don't wait for election day. If you can get out and vote early when the poll booths open, get out and vote early. One thing's for sure, National voters will get out and vote. For every Labour person or every person who votes, whether it's Labour, the Greens or New Zealand First, for every one of our side that doesn't vote, that's just another vote for National. So it's really important leading up. If you want to know what's going on in the government, follow Willie Jackson. He's a smart operator. A lot of people give him grief, but he fronts up every time to the media. So go on Facebook, follow Willie Jackson, follow the Maori caucus, and that's where you'll see what the Maori members in government are doing. Don't listen to all the other ratbags who are saying, what the hell are you doing, what the hell are you doing? Go and have a look at what they're doing, and you'll see all of that. In the meantime, Jolie has got a real good gig coming up where she's going down to to Otago girls to run workshops down there. So that's real exciting. It's real exciting because one, it's getting us out of the house, but also there's some real young people down there who need some help. So it's been a real coup for Jolie. Who was the woman who did the workshop?
Kirsten Taylor.
For Kirsten Taylor. You know, so Kirsten down there, she's done a great job. She went out, she's done all the mahi, has put Jolie's name forward, has promoted Manawa Ora to get in there. So that's really exciting stuff. You can talk about that. I don't want to talk about that.
Nah, that's enough. Okay. All right. He's used up his 50 cents worth. Tuck said he'll pay you 50 cents.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, he's used all that up, so. Okay, whānau, it's been good talking to you fellas. Stay in touch. Catch us here next time in about a week's time. We're all back to the grind now. Thank God, barbers, you know, we were looking a bit feral, but now we're looking halfway decent. Back to the gym, back to work. Yeah, so we'll catch up in about a week's time. Any suggestions for Waiata, please let me know and we can have a look. And yeah, just keep singing. Just keep singing, whānau. Stay well, stay healthy. You know, we can't have parties yet, sorry, no guitar parties yet. Just hang tight, hang 5, and we'll see you next time. Okay? Good? Ka pai.
Ka wai.
Pō Marie, whānau.
Marie.